Hey, baby, I decided to show you what I was eating for lunch. I have some homemade lasagna, and it's full of cheese and pasta. It's smashed up because that's how I heated it up in the microwave. But what I wanted you to see was the noodles. Is that a real noodle? Or is this a real noodle? What's the real noodle, girl? It's heart healthy, diabetic friendly, and it's fat burning. You can eat as much of it as you want. But I thought I'd send you this little tease about my lasagna. And let me tell you, girl, if you like lasagna, you like pasta, I could send you this recipe. It's so good. But anyway, I wanted to send you my lunch. See? And it is so good. Even my great grandbaby was sitting here eating it with me. But I'll talk to you later, girl. If you want the recipe, you know all you gotta do is ask and stay encouraged. You can do this. It's easy, it's simple, and it's what you love, what you like, and it's not creating anything new but choices. Talk to you later, baby. Love you.